This video I am going to hack Sysax 5.53 SSH based server using this Kali Linux machine. So first of all, open Metasploit. Meanwhile, I will show you how you can obtain the Sysax 5.53. So go to Exploit DB and search here Sysax 5.53 and download this exploit. So after downloading it, you can transport it using this command. So you need to open this URL in your Windows XP machine, and here is the server. So this will basically download a MSI file. You need to install it. After installing it, you need to start this server and configure the SSH. By default, the SSH is not started. So go to Manage Server Setting, click on Connection Protocol, go to Configure, and take care SSH to base to shell, and click on Next, Next, and Finish. And then Start Server, and click on Close. So now our client machine has been configured. Now let's move to the exploit. So type info command to get the information about this exploit. This is a remote based exploit, so we need to supply the remote host IP, and it works on Windows XP Service Pack 3 and Windows 2K3 Service Pack 0. So type the option commands and type now the host IP of your target machine and type run. So this has opened the Metasploit session successfully. So you can get the admin privilege using that system. Already it has given us system privileges. Also, you can use the help command, and you can in this video we are using this command sysinfo that will list the type of OS the client machine is running, what is the computer name, what is the architecture of that system, and how many login user are there. So in this way, you can get the information about the target system. Thanks for watching.